Here. Oh, wait, my hand's in the way. Oh, wait. Oh, crap, what the heck? Okay, you don't want to see my thumbs. What? We're having a little coughing issue. Nugs. What you doing? Give Mom a kiss. Give Mom a kiss. Nugs. Nugs. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Show them how much you love me. I knew he was up here. I felt the earthquake. Holy crap.
Oh my god! Oh, Yoda, you're so fat!
You don't play with crinkle balls, Yoda. Leave him alone. He decided to come out of the cat. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? You guys, are you, what? I don't need to see your rear end.
Oh my god! Oh god!
You would think this would flatten my stomach. Okay, well, I guess he's done playing with the crinkle ball that I spent 99 cents on. 99 cents! I'm sorry, that's really close to my face. For this thing. They're supposed to have a bigger one. Why is my finger, why do I do that? Okay. They usually, I was looking for one that was bigger, because I have a bigger one for him, and I'm like, oh, I need to get him a bigger one, because he's like decimating the other one that I have for him. But, they did not have larger ones for that guy right there. So, I guess next time I'm in the area of the pet store, I need to go see if they, ow, claw in the chest, see if they have one for him that is larger than that one. It will probably be more than 99 cents. They should not be. They should be like less than 99 cents. Like, I don't know, 39 cents. Like that one right there should be like 39 cents. I mean, it doesn't last long. Not with him. Okay, well, that certainly did not go the way that I had anticipated it to go. I really don't know how. I didn't even plan this. I thought it would be more amusing. Instead, it was a disaster. It was, yeah. I don't even know why I'm going to share this. It's just, ow, claws, ow. Yeah, I probably shouldn't even share this, but I'm going to, just because it just is just strange. And just, I think it'll make you laugh. Okay. Bye for now. I have to try to figure out a way to get out of this. MacGyver style, yes. He won't sleep with me at night, but he does this, like, at random times. What? I'm psycho. Okay. Oh, God, I gotta reach, turn it off. Okay, there's my thumb again. Okay. Okay. Bye again.